Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shikhar Kumar, Consultant Medical Oncologist at Yashoda Hospitals, High Tech City. We all know that October is celebrated as World Breast Cancer Awareness Month every year. I want to talk to you about the different types of breast cancers. Not all breast cancers are of the same type. Cancers which happen in younger women, which we are seeing more and more nowadays, tend to be more aggressive, and these are usually triple negative breast cancers in which the hormone receptors ER/PR are negative and even HER2 is negative, or some women develop HER2 positive breast cancers. These cancers are treated a little bit differently than the other type of breast cancers which are known as ER/PR positive breast cancers, which happen in older women. So these cancers which happen in younger women, they are typically treated with chemotherapy or anti-HER2 targeted therapy prior to surgery. This enables the tumor to shrink rapidly so that complete removal of the breast can be avoided and a partial removal of the breast with better cosmetic outcomes can be achieved. At the same time, chemotherapy is an integral part of treatment either before surgery or after surgery. But now we have new developments in the form of two types of drugs. One is known as a PARP inhibitor known as olaparib, which is now approved for high-risk women who have triple negative breast cancers, and especially those women who have a mutation in their BRCA1 or BRCA2 genes, which is tested by blood testing. So this drug is given for a period of 1 year after completing the entire surgery, chemotherapy and radiation therapy. It helps women live longer and cures more women of their disease. Similarly, we have another drug known as abemaciclib, which is a CDK4 inhibitor, which is also given for women who have ER/PR positive disease if they have a high risk of relapse after surgery and chemotherapy. So a lot of developments are happening in the field of breast cancer therapy. It is essential that breast cancers be treated by a team of a surgeon, of a medical oncologist, of a radiation oncologist that works together and discusses these cases for providing the best outcomes for the patients.